Alright lads, it's Danny here today, bringing you lot a lovely video. So today we're going to take a look at cos A minus B. So there's an attractive trig identity for the cosine function, right? So it's very straightforward, the same series of steps like the sine function. So let's get right into it. But before we get into it, I want you lot to leave a like and subscribe. So this is our cos A minus B function. We are going to rewrite it in terms of an additive version of this. So this could be rewritten as cos of A plus minus B. The reason why we have to write it in this format is because we want to apply the additive version of this trig identity, which is, you know, it's got to be cos of A plus B. So when you write it like this, we got a plus sign. So we could then rewrite it using that identity as the following. The only thing that changes is the negative B. Once you have reached this point, which you are going to need to distinguish and simplify, is this. So the cos of negative b, this here is an even function. Cos is an even function, which basically means no matter what, if it's a positive or negative sign, you know, in front of this b, you're still going to get the same answer when you solve it. So in that case, you can just write it as cos of b. And over here, you are going to have an odd function, and you know, when you have an odd function, you know, if you have a negative here, it's gonna, when you solve it, you're still gonna have that negative. It's still gonna carry over, basically. So we can rewrite it as the following, you know, and a negative times a negative is gonna yield a positive on the right term right over here. So basically, and you know, this is it. This is basically the proof done. We have basically simplified and solved it, and as you lot could see, we have proved it. So if you lot enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you lot later.